In the annals of prehistoric giants, where mammoths roamed and saber-toothed cats prowled, one feline reigned supreme over the vast landscapes of ancient North America. Meet the American lion, the colossal king of the Ice Age, whose sheer size and formidable presence dwarfed even the mighty African lion of today. Imagine a predator so powerful it could bring down bison with a single, crushing bite and sprint with the speed of a modern-day warthog. The American lion, Panthera atrox, wasn't just the biggest cat to ever exist, it was the ultimate apex predator of its time. Step back into a world where this majestic beast ruled and discover the untold story of the largest feline that ever walked the earth in, the biggest cat to ever exist, American lion. The story of the American lion began in the early 1800s when parts of its skull material were discovered in the state of Mississippi. At the time, it was clear that the remains belonged to a feline of some sort. Initially, it was classified under the genus Felis, which includes the domestic cat and other smaller felines. However, as more specimens were discovered and studied, paleontologists realized that these remains were more similar to larger cats, prompting a reclassification to the genus Panthera, which includes 5 living species: the lion, tiger, jaguar, leopard, and snow leopard. Among the genus Panthera, the extant lion was particularly important in this classification change. The American lion shared numerous similarities in body shape and features with modern lions, leading paleontologists to initially classify it as a new subspecies of lion, Panthera leo atrox. This scientific name reflects its perceived kinship with modern lions and its habitat, giving rise to the popular nickname, the American lion. However, subsequent research revealed that despite these similarities, the American lion was distinct enough to warrant its own species designation. Significant differences included a stockier build, the absence of a developed mane, proportionally longer legs, and a uniquely shaped skull. Thus, it was retained within the Panthera genus, but renamed Panthera atrox, meaning the cruel panther, a nod to its formidable size and weaponry. The initial discovery of the American lion in Mississippi was a landmark moment in paleontology. At first, the fragmentary nature of the fossil record led to some confusion and misclassification. Early paleontologists, working with limited information, often had to make educated guesses about the relationships between extinct and extant species. The reclassification of the American lion to the Panthera genus was a significant step, reflecting advances in the understanding of feline evolution and anatomy. As more fossils were unearthed across North America, from California to Alaska, a clearer picture of the American lion began to emerge. These discoveries provided valuable insights into the distribution, ecology, and physical characteristics of this formidable predator. The fossil record showed that the American lion was widespread, adapting to various environments from temperate forests to arid plains. The similarities between the American lion and the modern lion, particularly in terms of body shape and skull structure, initially supported the idea that they were closely related. This led to the classification of the American lion as a subspecies, emphasizing its connection to the African lion. However, detailed studies of the fossils revealed crucial differences that warranted its recognition as a distinct species. These differences highlighted the diversity within the Panthera genus and underscored the evolutionary adaptations that allowed the American lion to thrive in its environment. The name Panthera atrox, meaning cruel panther, reflects the formidable nature of this predator. With its massive size, powerful build, and fearsome hunting capabilities, the American lion was indeed a force to be reckoned with. Its classification within the Panthera genus aligns it with some of the most iconic and powerful big cats alive today, underscoring its significance in the history of feline evolution. The American lion was truly a behemoth among felines. On average, adult American lions were about 25% larger than their African counterparts, with males typically weighing between 774 and 930 pounds. These sizes far exceed any living feline today. However, some individuals were even larger. In 2012, paleontologists discovered specimens that suggested extraordinarily large American lions could reach up to 1,153 pounds, making them the largest cats to have ever walked the earth. The American lion's physical characteristics set it apart from modern lions. It had a stockier build, with robust bones supporting its massive frame. Unlike African lions, it did not have a mane, which may have been an adaptation to its environment or its solitary or prideless lifestyle. Its legs were longer in proportion to its body, contributing to its ability to cover ground quickly despite its size. The skull of the American lion was also uniquely shaped, with a broader and more heavily built structure, accommodating powerful jaw muscles and large canines. The sheer size of the American lion is one of its most defining features. Its massive body, supported by strong, thick bones, would have given it a formidable presence. This robust build was necessary to support the powerful muscles required for hunting and taking down large prey. The absence of a mane, unlike modern African lions, suggests that the American lion might not have needed such a feature for social signaling or protection during fights, possibly indicating a different social structure or set of environmental pressures. The American lion's legs were proportionally longer than those of modern lions, an adaptation that likely enhanced its ability to move swiftly and cover large distances in search of prey. This feature would have been particularly useful in the open plains and savannas of North America, where speed and agility were crucial for ambush hunting. The longer legs, combined with its powerful muscles, would have made the American lion an exceptional predator capable of quick bursts of speed to catch unsuspecting prey. The skull of the American lion was another distinguishing feature. It was broader and more heavily built than that of modern lions, reflecting the need for a powerful bite. The jaw muscles attached to this robust skull would have been incredibly strong, enabling the American lion to deliver lethal bites with its long, sharp canines. These canines, measuring up to 4 inches, were ideal for gripping and tearing the flesh of large herbivores. In addition to its impressive physical attributes, the lion likely had other adaptations that contributed to its success as a top predator. Its sense of smell, vision, and hearing were probably highly developed, allowing it to detect prey from long distances. The combination of these sensory adaptations, along with its physical strength and speed, made the American lion a highly efficient hunter. The impressive size and physical prowess placed it at the top of the food chain in its ecosystem. Its ability to take down large prey, including bison and possibly juvenile mammoths, underscores its role as a dominant predator. This dominance, however, was not without challenges. The American lion had to compete with other formidable predators, such as the saber-toothed cats and dire wolves, for food and territory. Its success in this competitive environment highlights its adaptability and strength as one of the greatest predators of its time. Despite its immense size, the American lion was not a slow-moving giant. Estimates suggest that it could run at speeds over 30 miles per hour, similar to a modern warthog and far faster than any human runner. This speed was crucial for its hunting strategy, which likely relied on ambush tactics rather than prolonged chases. Its robust bone structure and long legs would have allowed it to spring quickly from hiding to catch unsuspecting prey. The power of the American lion's bite was one of its most formidable weapons. With a bite force estimated at 1,800 pounds per square inch, it was nearly 3 times more powerful than that of a modern lion and 6 times stronger than that of the Smilodon, which had relatively weak bite force due to its saber teeth. This incredible bite force allowed the American lion to sink its 4-inch long canines deep into its prey, delivering lethal injuries. One of the most telling pieces of evidence regarding the American lion's hunting capabilities is the discovery of a frozen steppe bison named Blue Babe. This specimen was found with deep claw wounds and bite marks that matched those of an American lion, indicating a deadly encounter. The bite marks on Blue Babe revealed the sheer power and efficiency of the American lion's killing methods. The wounds showed that the lion had used its claws to grip and tear, while its powerful jaws delivered fatal bites. Another remarkable find was the remains of a grey wolf near the La Brea tar pits in California. This wolf had managed to escape an encounter with an American lion, but not without severe injury. The lion's bite had completely severed the wolf's right femur, showcasing the tremendous power behind its jaws. Such evidence underscores the lion's status as a top predator capable of inflicting catastrophic damage with a single bite. The American lion's hunting behaviour was likely influenced by its environment and prey availability. Its primary diet included a wide range of herbivores such as deer, horses, camels, tapirs, peccaries, rodents, and the steppe bison. Among these, the steppe bison appears to have been a preferred target, with multiple specimens showing evidence of American lion attacks. The lion's powerful build and ambush tactics made it well suited to taking down these large herbivores. One of the intriguing questions about the lion's behaviour is whether it hunted alone or in groups. Modern lions live in prides, which provide numerous advantages in hunting and protecting territory. However, there is no conclusive evidence that it lived in similar social structures. Some researchers argue that its large size implies it was a solitary hunter, capable of taking down prey on its own. Others suggest that, like its modern relatives, it might have lived in groups, which would have allowed it to take down even larger prey, such as young mammoths. If the lion did live in prides, this social structure would have significantly influenced its hunting strategies and prey choices. A group of American lions working together could have brought down much larger animals, including subadult mammoths and other megafauna. On the other hand, if it was a solitary hunter, it would have relied more on stealth and ambush tactics to catch its prey. The lion's intelligence also played a crucial role in its hunting success. Indirect evidence suggests that it had a large brain case, indicating higher intelligence levels. Modern species of Panthera, such as lions and tigers, are known for their problem-solving abilities and complex social behaviours. The American lion likely shared these traits, making it a cunning and adaptable predator. One piece of indirect evidence for the American lion's intelligence is its relative rarity in ancient tar traps compared to other predators like the smilodon and dire wolves. These tar traps, which have ensnared countless animals over thousands of years, show that while many predators fell victim to these natural hazards, the American lion was less frequently trapped. This suggests that it had a heightened awareness or caution that helped it avoid such dangers. The lion's success as a predator is reflected in its wide range and the variety of prey it hunted. Its adaptability to different environments and ability to take down a broad spectrum of herbivores demonstrate its role as a dominant predator during its time. Whether hunting alone or in groups, the American lion's physical prowess, intelligence, and formidable hunting abilities made it one of the most fearsome predators of the Pleistocene epoch. During the Pleistocene epoch, the lion shared its environment with numerous other formidable predators, including the saber-toothed cats, smilodon, dire wolves, and short-faced bears. These predators competed for the same prey resources, leading to intense interspecific competition. Despite this, the American lion was highly successful, occupying a wide range across North America, from the southern United States to Alaska and as far south as Mexico. The American lion's competition included some of the most iconic predators of the Ice Age. The smilodon, with its saber-like canines, was a powerful predator that relied on ambush tactics to take down large prey. However, its relatively weak bite force limited its ability to hold on to struggling prey. The dire wolf, a larger and more robust relative of the modern grey wolf, hunted in packs and was highly effective at bringing down large herbivores. The short-faced bear, one of the largest terrestrial carnivores of its time, was both a predator and scavenger, capable of intimidating other predators away from their kills. Despite this formidable competition, it managed to carve out a niche for itself. Its combination of size, strength, and intelligence allowed it to dominate in various habitats. The lion's ability to adapt to different environments, from open plains to temperate forests, gave it an edge over more specialized competitors like the Smilodon, which was more restricted to open areas where it could utilize its ambush hunting strategy. The American lion's extinction, along with many other megafaunal species, occurred around 12,877 years ago. This period, known as the Quaternary Extinction Event, saw the disappearance of numerous large mammals across North America and other parts of the world. The exact causes of this extinction event are still debated, but the two leading hypotheses are human overhunting and climate change, with the possibility that both factors worked synergistically to drive these species to extinction. Human overhunting is one of the primary theories explaining the extinction of the American lion and other megafauna. The arrival of humans in North America brought new hunting pressures on the existing wildlife. Armed with advanced tools and coordinated hunting strategies, humans could have significantly impacted populations of large herbivores, which were the primary prey of the American lion. The reduction in prey availability would have had a cascading effect on the predators that relied on them, leading to a decline in their numbers. Evidence supporting the human overhunting hypothesis includes archaeological sites with remains of large mammals that show signs of butchering by humans. Additionally, the timing of the extinction event coincides with the widespread presence of human populations across North America. However, this hypothesis is not without its challenges, as it requires demonstrating that human hunting pressure was sufficient to drive such widespread extinctions. Climate change is another significant factor that likely contributed to the extinction of the American lion. The end of the Pleistocene epoch was marked by significant climatic shifts, including the retreat of glaciers and changes in temperature and precipitation patterns. These environmental changes would have altered habitats and the availability of food resources, putting additional stress on megafaunal populations. The combination of human hunting and climate change presents a compelling explanation for the extinction of the American lion. As the climate changed, habitats shifted and prey populations declined, increasing the pressure on large predators. At the same time, human hunters further depleted prey numbers and competed directly with these predators for food. This double whammy of environmental stress and human activity likely created a scenario where large predators like the American lion could no longer sustain their populations. The extinction of the American lion and other megafaunal species marks the end of an era of giant mammals that roamed the Earth during the Pleistocene. It represents a significant loss in biodiversity and highlights the complex interplay of factors that can drive species to extinction. Studying these ancient extinctions provides valuable insights into the challenges facing modern wildlife and the importance of conservation efforts to protect today's endangered species. In the epic saga of Earth's ancient giants, the American lion reigns supreme as the largest cat to ever roam our planet. From its awe-inspiring size to its formidable hunting prowess, the American lion captivates our imagination and leaves us in awe of the wonders of prehistoric life. Join us on this journey through time as we uncover the secrets of this majestic predator and explore the untamed wilderness of the Pleistocene epoch. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the natural world. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.